你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the initial M. Before we start today's lesson, let's do a quick review of the Chinese syllable. A typical Chinese syllable is composed of three parts: an initial sound, a final sound, and a tone. What's the initial sound? It's the consonant. There are 23 Chinese consonants in the Hanyu Pinyin system. Make sure you watch our previous videos so you will have a better understanding of the Chinese syllable. When you see the English letter M in Pinyin, the pronunciation is M. It's like the M in the English word my. Say M. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. M, 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 M. Pronunciation exercise for M sound. Let's combine the initial M, the final A, and the high-pitched first tone all together. M, A, Ma. Repeat after me. M, A, Ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma is mom in Chinese. Another exercise for M sound. Let's combine the initial M, the final ow, and the high-pitched first tone all together. M, ow, mao. Repeat after me. M, ow, mao. Mao, mao, mao. Mao is cat in Chinese. Let's do a quiz now. Question: when you see the English letter M in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is M. Are there any topics that you are interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.